This bird is a professional liar, and it uses its voice to pull off the ultimate food heist. Meet the fork-tailed drongo. When it sees a family of meerkats find a juicy scorpion, it doesn't fight them. Instead, it mimics the meerkat's exact alarm call, screaming that a dangerous hawk is coming. The panicked meerkats drop their food and run for cover, leaving the drongo to swoop down and steal a free lunch. And here is what this brilliant little trickster actually looks like in the wild, nature's smartest thief.